Okay, Rob from myppctraining.com, and in today's video we are going to run through all of the bidding strategies and options available to you in AdWords and a little bit about each one and how they're used. Alright, so 2018 is going to be the year of Google, that's for sure. They're rolling out their new keyword player, this whole new interface you're looking at right now. Lots of cool stuff dropping. So with that being said, let's dive into some of their bidding strategies. A lot of them are auto bid strategies that are now available and are running. How they work and why you should use them and why, frankly, some of them you shouldn't use. So with that said, go into your AdWords account, pick your campaign. We're going to go down to settings. There we go. Bidding. And in here, you're going to see all of the options available to you. So we'll take them down a list one by one. First one we got is target CPA. As you can see here, sets bids to the most conversions possible while reaching your average cost per acquisition CPA goal. So basically, this one, if you chose it, you're not gonna do keyword bids. Google's gonna auto keyword bid to try and get you conversions at the price you want to pay for a conversion. So what do I mean? So target CPA. So what do we want to pay leads for? Let's say for this account, I think the average cost per lead is like $100 or something like that. So we'd say like, all right, we want to pay, $98 for a lead. Now that's it. That's all we do. We turn that on, and Google goes to work using its machine learning algorithm, and they do all the bidding and everything, and they try to get us leads at that cost. Or usually it's within the $10 range, above or below. It depends on the industry. So that's really it for target CPA. It's pretty interesting. You need a big budget to run it, in my opinion. It works better if you have a bigger budget and you got more runway for Google to go with. So with that said, we're not going to run it for this. Let's go back up here. What we got here is the next one. It's target return on ad spend. So this basically, as you can see, gives you a little description here. Sets bids to help you with the most conversion value while maintaining your target return on ad spend. So basically, you tell Google, I want to spend your budget's like whatever, 100 a day or whatever, and you set your return on ad spend. See, here you can read that. It's pretty cool. And basically, you tell them how much percentage you want to be returned on what you spend. I'd stay away from this one personally. I just don't like messing around with it. I like to keep it simple. If I'm going to do auto bidding and stuff like this, I'll do CPA. So that's target return on ad spend. Then we got maximize clicks. This is one of my favorites. Sets bids to help you get the most clicks within your budget. Now the thing with this is you have to be careful, because when we learned this the hard way when we first started using it, you have to set a bid cap, because you can say, like, say you're a plumber and you're spending 100 a day and you want to get the most clicks for your $100 a day budget. Google's going to auto bid to try and squeeze in as many clicks as possible within that daily budget. But sometimes some keywords, they will auto bid ridiculous prices, like $140, $180 a click. And I know it sounds crazy, but it does happen, and it can choke up your campaign. So it's best, if you're ever using maximize clicks, to always run with a bid cap. And if you click on it, you'll see here, maximum Cpc bid limit. So we want to set a ceiling. So say if we were doing the plumbers 100 a day, we want to do a ceiling bid of like $24.99, something like that. So you can get 4 clicks for your budget or whatever, and possibly more depending on what keywords you're going after and all of the whatever Google decides they're going to bid for your keywords. But yeah, make sure you always use a bid limit. Maximize conversions is pretty cool too. So you need a decent amount of conversion history in the campaign to run this. So let's say you're that same plumber spending 100 a day, and over the last 60 days you have 200 conversions, 150 conversions. This will be a good strategy to run. So basically, Google's going to say, we're going to get you we have your conversion history. We're going to auto bid and get you the most conversions possible within your daily budget. And that's pretty cool. Again, it's another strategy that I would use with a higher daily budget. So target search page location. sets bids to help you get your ads on the top of the page or on the first page of the results. So you can either choose that you want to be in the top spot on the page, on page 1, excuse me, or you can just be anywhere on page 1, and that's really it. I mean, whenever we use this, we use a bid adjustment of like 23 to 33% because we always want to show in like position anywhere from position 1.5 to 2.5. That's our sweet spot we found. So that's how we run that. And then we have this guy right here, target outranking share, sets bids to help you outrank another domain's ads. So this is more for like branding campaigns. Like we have some clients who just want to go, they have their number one competitor and they just want to go after this guy, and they always want to show their ads ahead of him no matter what, no matter if it doesn't convert. I know it's crazy, but some clients just, that's all they care about is that kind of stuff. So this is what you want to use for those guys. It just, you enter a domain that you want to beat, and your Google will make sure your ads are always showing above them. Then we have enhanced PPC. I'm sure most of you guys know what this is. Adjust your manual bids up or down to help you increase conversion. So basically it's manual PPC, but when you check to run with enhanced, Google will say, oh, all right, well, this guy's, he's managing his keyword bids himself, but he has enhanced cost per click checked, so we can auto adjust his high converting keywords if he's not doing it. Okay, so if you have a keyword that's sending 5 leads and we haven't touched it in a week, and Google's like, wow, this guy's missing out on a ton of leads, they'll auto adjust it a tiny bit and just to get you more leads. So that's pretty cool too. And that's really it. I'm sure there's going to be more rolling out, but the automated bid strategies are really cool. And the ones I like playing with the most is maximize clicks and target CPA. I think you guys should do a little more research into those. And I'm going to make a few more videos and more in-depth stuff for them. But this is 2018 is the, like I said, it's a year of Google. It's a year of automated bidding strategies. Just make sure that you don't get carried away with it. Make sure you have a cap set. Make sure in target CPA, make sure you're not just saying, oh, I want $10 leads and you're a plumber, spend $100 a day. It's never going to happen. You know what I mean? Like, you got to be realistic with what you're going to set your cost per conversion at. So just keep that in mind. And guys, let me know in the comments what your favorite auto bid strategy is, or maybe you just like using manual. I'd love to hear about it. And make sure you subscribe to our channel. Give me a thumbs up below this video. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.